Guys, today looks somehow bored for me, so I decided to take practice on the real estate investment stuff. So I'm gonna use $1 to do it. And although I have tried forex trading before, so I think I got some ideas. So let's dive in. So let's forget marketing and do some fucking shit around this app. Let's go to Shipper Cash. I don't know if you have the app on your phone, but I love that app because it's good for receiving payment. Let's use fingerprint. Fingerprint, man. Waiting for you. Yeah, I think that's verified. So let's wait. Wow. So let me start from the beginning so you don't get confused. Let's click on home. So I've been using this app for payment all this while. So I've been using for payment. But I know what you're here for. Let's click on invest. What's the most popular ones? The most popular ones. Look at this one. Amazon by Jeff Bezos, CEO. Look at Tesla by Elon Musk. Look at Mastercard. Anything you want. But I look at Apple. Look at Apple. Look at Apple. Let's check the market analysis before we can see what we do. Let's check it. And it's loading. It's loading. Hey guys, look at it. Look at Apple. So Apple has been down for a while now, and it's struggling to go up. So that's what we can do here. Apple is struggling. Let's check the analysis. The closing. Look at where they close. Apple is struggling to go up. Struggling to go up. So I don't think Apple will go down below this again. So what we're gonna do is let's buy it. Though I wanted to buy Amazon. So let's check on Amazon market also. Amazon market also. You can invest in real estate. You can invest in anything you want, even Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is one of the Muslim places, even the best, sorry, the third richest man in the world, Warren Buffett, invest in Coca-Cola and is even receiving payment at the end of the month more than the CEO of the company. So there's something. Look at this one is struggling to go up, struggling to go up. So I wanted investing in this, but I'm not gonna do it again. Let me invest in Apple all this. So you guys bring suggestion. Let me know what happened. So because this one might come down soon because it's still struggling. So let's because this one is pulling and coming back. So this is not my feed of stuff. So I'm not gonna waste my time. I'm just in just of boredom. So let's go to Apple. Let's go to Apple. All this one I can do it, but let me do the ones I'm familiar with in Apple. Oh, wasting my fucking time. Wasting my fucking time. Oh. So, as it is, let's buy. Although the market is currently closed because it's weekend. Maybe they close this morning, I don't know. But anything Monday, it should open. So let's just buy. I'm waiting Monday because that is I think they are closed maybe they are closed for today. I don't know, but I think anything Monday they are going to be open. So let's put some change there. Let's put around $1. $1. Let's see. But when we do this up, keyboard up. And so let's click on let's say 500. It's 1.1111. So let's click next. That's $1.1111. So this one beauty of this one is they are going to charge us the market price, not Black Friday. So let's do it. Wow, next. I'm waiting. Let's go there. Waiting. Oh, ah, man. Let me pause this video so that it will. Okay, it has even come up. There's a confirm you want to buy 500 worth of Apple. Approximately share. Look at the shares. So approximately share price 60k. Total buy is 995. Cheaper fee is 5 naira. Total cost is this. So let's schedule buy. Wagram. I'm waiting. I just want to put this money in because I don't know how the market work. I just want to put it here. Because I love investment. So I'm saying done. So your order to buy Apple for they are giving me congratulations. Let me screenshot it. Yes, okay. You are enjoying it, please give us a review on the Play Store. I think I'm not in for this, man. So let me this one too. One done. So as you all can see, this is how it is done. So you can just put something like this and forget about it. It can raise to something else in the future. Because I don't like buying cryptos anymore because crypto has water my money long time ago. So let me close the video. Thank you guys.